Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you a quick way to block spam emails on Gmail, keeping your inbox clean and clutter-free. Let's dive in. First, open your Gmail account in your web browser. Navigate to your inbox where the spam email is located. Next, locate the spam email you want to block and open it by clicking on it. In the email window, click on More button, represented by 3 dots at the top right corner. Then select Block Sender Status from the drop down menu. A confirmation email with you want to block the sender. Click on Block to confirm, and there you have it. You have successfully blocked a spam email on Gmail, helping to reduce unwanted emails in your inbox. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.